Subscribe to my channel! Little Cloud. Hello, my little artists. Today we are going to draw and color this cute little lizard. Are you ready? Yay! Let's start. Step 1. Drawing. First, I draw the lizard. Carefully, slowly, gently. I draw the head, the long curly body, and the tiny tail. Wow, the drawing looks so cute.
Down by the shore where the pumpkins grow, back to my home.
Now I start coloring the head. I use my orange color. Slow and neat, inside the lines. Aw, so sweet. Step 3. Color the back head. Next, I color the back of the head with orange too. Nice and smooth. Look how bright it looks. Step 4. Color the tail. Now it's time to color the tail. I use my orange color again. Up and down, slowly. Wow, the tail looks amazing. Step 5. Color the hands with my orange color. Tiny hands, so cute. Step 6. Marker again. And now, last step. I use my marker again. I redraw the border lines one more time. Dark and neat. Perfect. Yay! Our cute little lizard is ready. Great job, my little artist. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Did you ever see a bunny on a tranny? Down by the shore where the pumpkins grow, back to my home I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever